Probability of an event. In this video, I'm going to show you how you interpret a question on probability, and most probably the formula, and this formula is the tree diagram that we apply in highlighting the outcomes of given events. Read with me. In a shipment of toys from a manufacturer, the probability that a toy is defective is 1 over 50. Defective means is not effective. So if defective probability is 1 over 50, then the effective one is 1 minus 1 over 50, which is 49 over 50, because both probabilities, effective and defective, when they are added, the answer is 1. So 1 minus 1 over 50. If Mary selects 2 toys from a shipment, what is the probability that both toys selected by Mary are defective? What is the probability that both toys are defective? Solution. In solving this, I have already told you that we shall apply the tree diagram formula so that we can be able to get the outcomes. So in our tree diagram, first of all, we have to let a few letters represent some event. Let's say for an effective, so let's E dot T stand for or represent effective toy. Effective toy. And of course, DT to represent defective toy. So in our tree diagram, we'll start with the first branch. That is where we choose. You must always ensure your lines are straight. We start with, when you choose the first toy, you can either choose an effective toy or a defective toy. That is the first picking, and that's the first toy. Second picking or second toy, you may have chosen the first one as effective, but the chances or the probability of picking the second one, we can either pick another effective toy or a defective toy. If you picked a defective toy, again, choosing the second one, you could pick an effective toy or a defective toy for the second time. So let us go to what we call the outcomes. The outcomes are going to be displayed at the end here. I call them the outcomes. The first outcome up there is, I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4 outcomes. We have effective toy and another effective toy. So that is ET. Second sample or outcome, we can pick the first one as an effective toy and a defective one, followed by a defective one. Third outcome, you pick the first one as a defective toy and of course the second one as an effective toy. The last one, you pick the first as a defective toy and of course the second one as a defective toy, like that. And actually this is where our problem lies. Now let us feed in the probabilities. We were told from the question that the probability of picking a defective toy is 1 over 50. That means the opposite, the otherwise, is 49 over 50. Of course, we are not going to use it, but it's good to indicate that. If you pick again a defective toy, you will have again 1 over 50. And then the other one is 49 over 50. Defective toy is 1 over 50. Of course, the other one is 49 over 50. Now the question wants us to write or to calculate the probability of dt, comma dt. And that is what we are seeing here. 1 over 50 times 1 over 50, which is equivalent to 1 over 50 times 50 is 2500. So our answer for the probability of picking 2 defective toys in the first and second picking is going to be 1 over 2500. Thank you very much for watching. Let us meet in our next video.